Hi everybody, this is Teresa. Hope everybody's having a great day today. I'm in the middle of watching The Voice uh, finale, the results show, and all five of the finalists sang this Dua Lipa song from the Barbie the movie soundtrack. Dance the Night Away, is that what it's called? Okay, and so everybody looks so pretty pink and stuff like that. So let's get this video started. Okay, so I'm just finally, now that I got all my the orders that I've got on online, I'm gonna show you off all these like except for one item, all the rest are all holiday stuff that I got online, and I'm gonna do it in the order of when I got these products. Okay, so the first products that I got online, and I'm glad I got it on the what is this, Colourpop website versus in person at Target, are these palettes. So I out of the three palettes, I got Jolly Vibes. It's like a rosy like palette, and there's like a, I don't know what, reddish burgundy eyeliner. All the judges are singing together. It's okay. And then I got this Naughty List, was like a smoky eye eyeshadow palette, and then black eyeliner. So it's really cool. Okay. I can watch the. I'm listening to all the four of the coaches for this season of The Voice singing "Let It Snow." Okay, I'm gonna move on with the video. So this next product that I got, it took a while for me to get it. I got, trying to remember which one is this one. I got this Sagittarius lip gloss, and as you can see, there's like a, looks like a yellowish brownish tan glittery shade in one side, and then purple on the other side. It's bummer that I didn't get the lip glosses for the Libra and Virgo. Virgo is my sister's, my mom's. I think she's Capricorn. I don't remember because her birthday was on April 2. I forgot what her zodiac sign is. And then Sagittarius, that's my dad's. So I believe Sagittarius is still selling right now. Anyways, and then this one lip gloss. Okay, good. Okay, this one lip gloss, it's I believe this came from the Taylor Swift collection, and I was bummed that I couldn't get the other ones, and especially the one that's based on the song Lover, with blue, pale blue, yellow, and pink, all in one tube. So it's too bad I missed out on that one and other colors based on Taylor Swift's album, songs, whatever. So this one, so I got, when I found out that at least this one called Red, I believe this is one of the Taylor Swift ones. When this is being sold, I nabbed it right away, and it's the Kikiz said that it's the most pigmented red gloss in her her collection, so I had to get it. It's supposed to be like a cherry scent. And then last but not least, so I got red, along with two more upside down lip glosses. Okay, and then finally, I got this today. I'm so happy I finally got this purchase. I'm not gonna try it out yet. This is called the, oh my god, I forgot what it's called, darn it. This is like the her like holiday lip not kit, but I don't know I don't remember what it's called. I'm such a dork. But I think the frosted bundle, lip bundle, comes in it's gorgeous package, and then comes in, let me see. I'm not gonna try it out yet. I just wanted to do this one. Better hurry up because you know, each of the finalists are gonna perform with their coaches, I guess. So this is, I forgot what it's called. Oh my god, this is like white shimmery one. They're all like with sparkly pearlescent cap, I guess. And then this is the cranberry one. And this is the neutrally one. Okay, that's it. By the way, this cute headpiece hairband, it's I got it in SeaWorld, in their gift store. So they're selling really cool you know, like holly stuff too. Okay, till my next video, whenever that is. Peace out, bye.